Your thumbnail is the first picture people see and they will decide to watch the video or scroll the video. Today you will learn how to use Canva to make scroll stopping thumbnail start to finish. Let me clear one thing. This is not the basic advice video to make big face and use arrow. No fluff. Just clear steps. We will pick a clear idea, find good images, we'll use them in Canva and design thumbnail. And after that we will check for multiple devices how thumbnail is looking. Hi, my name is Krishna, Canva element creator, corporate trainer and designer. Let's make thumbnail that gets clicked. First, let's start with the basic. Open Canva and click on the create design. Then search for YouTube thumbnail and select it. This will give you blank canvas with perfect size for YouTube thumbnail, and this is where you will design everything. Now go to Google and search for the image you need for this thumbnail. I search for Dhruv Rathee. First look for high quality images and copy it. Then upload it in Canva. Next, I searched for Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and then did the same thing, copy the image and upload in Canva. Make sure the image you use are not copyrighted or licensed. Okay, use free images or images you have permission to use. I repeated this process for other images I needed, like Rahul Gandhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Download all the photos you want to use this first. Now I need background image. I wanted something that looks like newspaper because this thumbnail is about news. So I searched for newspaper in Canva elements. You can choose from photos, graphics. Canva shows both free and pro version. Pick what works for you. Once you find the image you like, add it to your canvas. First I changed the background color to black, then added the newspaper image on the top. I reduced the transparency a bit so it's not look strong. Just light newspaper effect is the background. Now it's time to clean up your image. I used Canva Pro features here. First, I removed the background from the Dhruv Rathee's image using the background remover. Then I upscaled the image using Canva's image upscaler tool. This increases the quality and makes the low quality images look sharp and clear. If you don't have Canva Pro, don't worry. Just search on Google free image upscaler and free background remover. Upload your images there, remove the background, increase quality, and then upload them back to Canva. I did this all the images one by one, removed background and upscaled quality. Now let's add some effect. For thumbnail, I wanted jail bar because the video talks about the people being in prison. Okay. So I searched in element tabs for jail bars. I looked through the photos and graphics to find realistic jail bar effects. I found one. I placed it in the corner of the thumbnail, then increased its size to cover the entire page because it was in small size and it was not covering all the page, so I duplicated and placed another one on the left side to cover the entire canvas. Now the jail bar looks good. Okay, in this thumbnail Rahul Gandhi, Kejriwal are shown in the prison, so I made their photos black and white effect. Why black and white? Because black and white photo shows something from the past or something negative or something sad. It creates that emotional feeling. To do this, I selected Kejriwal's photo first, then I clicked Edit Photo and opened the Filter tab. From here, I changed the image to black and white. Canva gives you many black and white options. I personally like the slate filter. I use it every time in my designs. I did the same thing for Rahul Gandhi's photo again. Now I wanted to add brush stroke to highlight the text and make it stand out. In Dhruv Rathee's video, he was talking about how their mouths are shut, like unka muh band kar diya, kind of. So he added tape on their mouths in the thumbnail. To show this, I went to the element section and searched for the brush strokes, added them on the mouth of Kejriwal and Rahul Gandhi. So their mouths are covered. Now Kejriwal is in prison, so I need to place him behind the jail bars. To do this, I selected Kejriwal's photo, right click and went to the layers. From here, you can see arrange which image comes in the front and which goes behind. I moved Kejriwal's image behind the jail bars so it looks like he is inside the prison. Now it's time to work on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's image. Okay. Again, the quality was low, so I removed the background first, then upscaled the image using the image upscaler tool. I increased the size of the image because this video is all about Narendra Modi, so he should be the main focus. If you want to edit photos more inside Canva, like adding contrast, brightness, or highlights, just select the photo and click Edit Photo. Then go to Adjust. First, click Auto Adjust and see how it looks. If you don't like it, you can manually adjust brightness, temperature, and highlights and shadows the way you want. Now let's add the title. I copied the same brush element I used before. You can use the same one, choose different brush. I changed its color to the red. Why red? Because red color shows the danger, urgency, and grabs attention. Now to add text, I pressed T on the keyboard and text box appeared. I typed the main power word for the thumbnail. I used similar title to what Dhruv Rathee used. Then I took another brush element and changed its color to black for the second part of the headline. Now select the font you want. You can choose any font from Canva library. I used Poppin because it's clean and easy to read. I duplicated the text, added the first half of my sentence. Then for the power word, I used the red background brush to show danger. The same word Dhruv Rathee used this in this thumbnail. I increased size and placed properly in the brush. To highlight the main character, Dhruv Rathee, who is explaining the video, I added ripped paper element behind his photo. This makes his image pop out and stand out. When people see the thumbnail, their focus goes directly to Dhruv Rathee. They immediately understand this video is from Dhruv Rathee. Okay, and he is talking about the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And that's it. This is how you can design complete YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Now the main step is here. You need to test your thumbnail. Now we have designed a perfect thumbnail similar to Dhruv Rathee style, but before you uploading, we need to test it. Is it actually looking good? Is it scroll topping? Let's find out. To test your thumbnail, go to Google search and search YouTube thumbnail test. Open the first website that appears. Upload your thumbnail there. Now you can see how your thumbnail will look on YouTube before even you upload it. And that is very important. You can test how it looks on the dark theme, light theme, different devices and different sizes from mobile to desktop. If everything is clearly visible, the title is readable, the characters are easy to see on all devices and theme, then it's perfect. Your thumbnail is ready to upload on YouTube. And this is how you can create clear thumbnails in Canva that get clicks. If this video helped, then like and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials.